You just tell him to get out.
Get close up with his mouth.
Yeah.
Got about 3.5 feet.
I'm getting there. He got the hugest ear I've ever seen.
That's why you can hear those cars and cars.
Yeah.
How you tell them where to go.
Hello, please say something on the Polyglot FM, the heavy metal club, listening people.
The metal fans out there, the guys out here are great, man. I mean, the fans out here are fantastic. We've been in Europe for a month. We got 2 or 3 more shows to do, and the fans out here have been brilliant, man. Really good fans.
Okay, what can I say? Thank you for this report, and I wish you good luck and stay cool.
My pleasure, Levi. My pleasure. Thank you
And
very much.
I'll see you next year something festival.
Keep an eye out for PHANTOM-X, man. We'll be here. We will be here.
Okay, thank you, man.
Thank you, Levi.
Thank you.
Pretty wild, though, man.
You got to do that game of hockey.
They definitely did that movie. Did it justice.
Ice on the floor, man, because it's slick.
Come up here,
Man, it's a lot windier than earlier.
I'm gonna get my coat.
Weird movement. This is good. Oh, dude. Holy shit. Oh, the bike rack is gone. The gitch is still there, though. Hey, get from behind there. Oh, man, the bike rack is toast. Hey, Luca, get it. That's not safe. Come on.
Look, it's not safe to be behind the vehicle.
Or let's just say we're lucky we ain't got no bikes. Look at that big old hole, dumb bitch. She is such a stupid fucking whore.
Io ero ferma con il freno a mano, guarda, ancora freno a mano tirato, cioè.
No!
Dai, mandalo fuori paese. Dai che
It whines about every motherfucking